Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the number is in E164 format with country code. This prevents false matches. Next, query an HLR or number insight service to resolve the current network and roaming status. Once done, note the returned MCC/MNC and operator name because that is the canonical network identifier. Save the timestamp to track changes. This initial lookup gives you the definitive carrier information rather than guessing from prefixes, and it avoids wasting time on outdated assignments. After the HLR result, validate the information by checking the number prefix against official national numbering plans. Prefixes can narrow candidates quickly. Then compare the MCC/MNC returned to regulator or industry operator lists to confirm the operator name and country. Make sure to consult Mobile Number Portability MNP or porting databases when available, because users often move numbers between carriers. This layered verification prevents false positives when prefixes don't reflect current carrier. You finish by doing a practical confirmation. Place a brief call or send an SMS and inspect delivery reports or network origin metadata if available. If results conflict with earlier lookups, rerun the HLR/insight query and check porting logs. Changes can be recent. Make sure to escalate to the national regulator or the operator's support team when records remain inconsistent. Troubleshooting tip: when lookups disagree, prioritize live delivery data and porting records over static prefix assignments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.